Hello, this is Decimal. Today I want to talk about the new update on the EP-133 K.O.II update 1.1.1. So now the filter has a better range and is more responsive to punch and effects. So there's also changes how it handles MIDI note on with velocity 0. Velocity 0 is a note off message, so it's when the note is released. And it doesn't seem like they're adding any new features at this moment. They're just more fixing stuff like it says here. This update also will fix various errors and crashes. I've had a few crashes when it comes to sampling, so hopefully they address those issues. They've also said here, known issues, long patterns with lots of recording and fader automation can cause unexpected behavior, and they're working on it. I hope they're also working on other things too, such as fader gate and some other things as well. The speaker, those are all physical stuff, but when it comes to software, these things can be patched out. Now, I did update it, and it seems to be working fine. So if people are scared of updating it, then it might wipe their device. Currently, I haven't experienced that. All my patterns are still there and it is updated. So just want to make this quick video on the new update. If you click the link in my bio and the pinned comment, you can go to the link to update your unit. All you have to do is plug it in USB-C. You have to use Chrome. Apparently, other browsers don't really work. And then just use the update utility, and it's really simple and easy. So good luck, guys. Hopefully your faders are still working, and I'm working on a huge video. It's gonna be hilarious. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.